UNICEF, in collaboration with key stakeholders, is currently convening a two-day public-private partnership dialogue for children and adolescents at the Kairaba Jawara Conference Center. The forum brings together government institutions and private sector actors to discuss pressing issues affecting children and young people, including access to quality education, healthcare, job creation, and broader economic opportunities. The dialogue seeks to strengthen cooperation between the government and private sector in addressing challenges faced by children and youth. In his welcoming remarks, the UN Resident Coordinator Carl Frederick Paul reminded participants of the children's call to action and underscored the impact of collaborative efforts.
Therefore, public and private partnership are not just financial arrangements, they are vehicles for shared responsibilities and shared values. They allow us to align business success with social impact, ensuring that every investment contributes to the well-being, to the development of children and of adolescents, both young and also children.
Mr. Paul further stressed the importance of elevating children's voices in settling national priorities, noting that effective partnership can significantly improve access to education and health services and broaden job opportunities for young people.
The Gambian private sector can play and should play a critical role in supporting the government action and the development partners to ensure improved access to basic social services, but also to empower our children and adolescents, thus building a brighter and more equitable future for all.
The Minister of Public Service, Coordination and Delivery, Babakar Boy, described the platform as an innovative and timely mechanism for dialogue, especially for a developing nation like the Gambia. He highlighted the substantial returns that accompany investments in children's education.
A lot of work has been done, but I think from the recent, studies that are coming out, it is being established that investing in a child's education, apart from the social rate of return, the private, especially at the level of tertiary, gets higher. And that way, the private sector actually, also benefits.
Delivering the keynote address, the Minister of Women, Gender and Children Welfare, Fatou Kinte, emphasized the national importance of investing in children, acknowledging its long-term impact on economic growth and the country's future.
When we unite around a shared purpose, when we join hands together for children and with children, we unlock lasting change. Because when our children gain, the Gambia gains. When our children thrive, the motto of progress, peace and prosperity becomes a living reality. When our children succeed, we all succeed. And there is great hope for the future.
Speaking to the media, the UNICEF country representative Nafisa Binte Safike outlined UNICEF's role in bridging the public and private sectors.
Is important because Gambia is a very youthful country. About 54% of the entire population are below the age of 19, and we need to really invest on them. While the public sector is the primary duty bearer to ensure that every child's every right is being realized, private sector has a role to play. And our objective is to bring all these sectors together and actors together, so we all see how we can achieve more results for children and how every child in the Gambia, their every right is being realized. And that's why this dialogue is extremely important from investment perspective, from investment for realizing rights of children.
Authorities have pledged to take concrete action and to include children in shaping policies and programs that affect their lives. As discussions continue over the two-day event, expectations are high that the private sector will complement government efforts in protecting and investing in children, ensuring that leaders act, deliver, and remain accountable to their commitments. For Voice Out Digital Report, I am Abdullah Dawda.